Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your long videos into YouTube shorts. So go to your home page and select long video to shorts, drag and drop talking video here, or just select the video that you want. So I'm just going to drag it and place it here. So the minimum is I think 3 minutes. You can also select like how, oh, it has to be longer than a minute, sorry. I'm just going to select this like a minute of the video then, and I'm going to select the duration for shorts. I'm going to select under 60 seconds. Then I'm going to select get shorts. It's going to take some time to do that, and you only have like a few minutes that you can convert it to per month for free. But I think the pro version is worth it. So it's just going to upload, it's going to analyze it, and it's going to convert it to shorts. It does take quite some time, as you can see here, but that's basically it. After this, it's just going to turn into shorts. I don't think I'm gonna wait for like minutes because it does take a long time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!